These are some frequently asked questions regarding Article 12 of the California Constitution. How many sections does Article 12 have? It contains 9 sections. What does Article 12 relate to? It relates to public utilities. Who composes the Public Utilities Commission? Section 1 of Article 12 provides for the Public Utilities Commission, and it consists of 5 members who are appointed by the governor and approved by the Senate for staggered 6-year terms. Can commissioners be removed? Section 1 also provides that the legislature may remove a member for incompetence, neglect of duty, or corruption, with 2/3 of the membership of each house concurring. Who establishes the commission's rules? Section 2 states that subject to statute and due process, the commission may establish its own rules and procedures. What are public utilities? Section 3 provides that private corporations and persons that own, operate, control, or manage a line, plant, or system for the transportation of people or property, the transmission of telephone and telegraph messages, or the production, generation, transmission, or furnishing of heat, light, water, power, storage, or wharfage, directly or indirectly, to or for the public and common carriers are public utilities, and they're subject to control by the legislature through statute. Can the definition of public utilities be expanded? Section 3 also provides that the legislature may prescribe additional classes of private corporations or other persons are public utilities. How does the commission regulate transportation companies? Section 4 provides that the commission may fix rates and establish rules for the transportation of passengers as well as property by transportation companies, to prohibit discrimination and award reparation for the exaction of unreasonable, excessive, or discriminatory charges. Are there any limits on rates that are charged by transportation companies? Section 4 specifies that a transportation company may not raise a rate or an incidental charge, except after a showing to and a decision by the Public Utilities Commission that the increase is justified, and this decision is not subject to judicial review, except as to whether confiscation of property will actually result. Who determines the scope of the Commission's authority? Section 5 states that the legislature has plenary power, unlimited by other provisions of the state constitution, but consistent with this article, in order to confer additional authority and jurisdiction upon the Commission to establish the manner as well as the scope of review of Commission action in a court of record in the state, and in order to enable it to fix just compensation for utility property that is taken by eminent domain. How does the Commission regulate public utilities? Section 6 provides that the Commission may fix rates, establish rules, examine records, issue subpoenas, administer oaths, take testimony, punish for contempt, and prescribe a uniform system of accounts for all public utilities that are subject to the Commission's jurisdiction. What are transportation companies prohibited from doing? Section 7 states that a transportation company may not grant free passes or discounts to anyone holding an office in the state, and that the acceptance of a pass or discount by a public officer other than a PUC commissioner will cause them to forfeit their office. Are there prohibitions for commissioners? Section 7 provides that a public utilities commissioner may not hold an official relation to nor have a financial interest in a person or a corporation that is subject to regulation by the Commission. And finally, may local governments regulate in a similar manner to the Constitution? Section 8 specifies that a city, county, or other public body may not regulate matters over which the legislature grants regulatory power to the State Public Utilities Commission.